Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the clear analysis of all the three indices starting from Nifty Bank, which is Bank Nifty for us. Now looking over here, this is Bank Nifty on weekly time frame. While watching at this scenario, we will be thinking that market will be going downside aggressively. But remember one point, that market is near to all-time high and the sellers are aggressive over here, and we can't say that Nifty Bank has been turned into bearish yet. When it crosses this level, which is 43,620 level, then we can plan for selling aggressive even in weekly time frame as well. But looking over here, Nifty Bank is still in positive side itself on weekly time frame, but the sellers are in more power. Now look at over at this candle also. This is also a very huge candle which is created by the sellers, but immediately the bullers pushed the market upside. This may also happen over here, and look at over here, there was a huge red candle. After that, immediate pullback by buyers. So while looking at this red candle itself, we can't say that we need to be very aggressive or Nifty Bank is going to crash everything. We have to consider only on price action by reading on the psychology of this level. As Bank Nifty near to all-time high and the sellers are aggressive, we need a very good halt at this level to get a huge upside rally. But if you are crossing this level, which is 43,500 to 43,600 area, then we can plan for more selling side as well. Now let's go into the daily time frame. And daily time frame also you can look at this level. Let me show you. I have marked this trend line. From here it has been taking the resistance and we got a breakout to this level. This is a very crucial resistance area which is all-time high. From this level, it gave a very drastic downside fall. If it takes support at this region, which is a very huge consolidation area, Nifty Bank has been consolidating at this level. So this may act as a very good support for Bank Nifty as of now. If it takes support at this level, then we can see upside rally again. But for that, we need somewhat consolidation at this area. After that, a breakout, then we can see a easy upside move. If it is continuing upside immediately, then we need to wait for some good confirmations for buying side, then we can enter into the trade. But looking at this scenario, we can gain a point that it has reached at this level, which is 68% for this upside rally, for this whole upside rally, which is 68% according to the Fibonacci level, which is a good support as well. If it is taking support over here, wait for hourly time frame bullish confirmation, then go for the trade. Or else, if it is giving any shorting opportunities, then we can go with the trend and we can trade till these support areas, which are 44,000 to 43,600 levels. If you are getting any fake breakdowns below 43,600 area, then we don't have to enter immediately. We need more confirmation at this level to plan our huge selling sides. This is the plan on daily time frame. Let's go to the hourly time frame to plan our swing trades. On hourly time frame, you can see over here, yesterday it tried to give a good upside rally, but immediately it took the resistance from this supply area and gave a fall. Now this is a good demand area for Bank Nifty. If tomorrow opens gap up, a slight gap up will also gives power to bullish. If it gives small gap up, then small retest, then we can see upside rally till this level again, which is 45,000. If we are sustaining above 45,000 level, then we can plan for bullish side trades. Then we will be hitting few resistances. Based on those, we will plan our targets and we will be trailing our stop losses as well. Or else, if we are breaking down this level, which is previous day's closing, then immediately we can plan a trade till 44,500 to 44,300 areas. Based on the sustainability we have to plan, or else we will wait for some consolidation over this area, then we will plan our trades next week. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame to plan our intraday trades for Monday. You can see over here, it has been consolidating in this area based on 2 days. If it consolidates 2 to 3 days more over here, then we can plan a very good trade with small risk with huge reward as well. If it is consolidating over here for Monday and Tuesday, on Wednesday we can see a easy rally almost 500 to 600 points from this region. If it gives breakout or breakdown, we can plan a trade. But looking over here, if it opens gap up, let me close this one. If it opens gap up, then we will wait for small retest to this level. Based on the bullish pattern, then we'll plan a trade till 45,000 area. Or else, if it is opening huge gap up, which is a rare scenario as of now, if it is opening a huge gap up near to 44,900 area, then immediately we'll plan for selling side. Or else, if we are going below this closing price, wait for sustainability over here. There might be huge fake breakdowns over here. Look at over this was the previous day's closing. It crossed the previous day's closing, immediately it pushed the market upside. Right, this may also happen. If you are going below this area, then wait for sustainability first. After that, we can plan a upside trade from this area. This is a simple plan in Bank Nifty from weekly time frame to intraday time frame. As of now, Bank Nifty is still in bearish pressure, but we need some consolidation to any bullish nature in this Bank Nifty to plan our bullish side trades. That's it for Bank Nifty. Let's go to the Nifty now. This is Nifty on weekly time frame. You can see this was the all-time high for Nifty, and it gave a very good breakout for this ATH, but immediately it fell from there, which is giving a fake breakdown scenario. In this trade, there is a high probability that Nifty Bank will test its demand area easily, which is 19,200 to 19,300 area. There is a high probability. Why? Means buyers were in power. They tried to push the market upside eagerly, but immediately sellers came into the power and they bring the market below the previous resistance area, which is this is a very good resistance area. Immediately they push the market downside below this resistance area. That means the sellers are in huge power. Let's go on to the daily time frame. On daily time frame, you can observe over here, it tried to sustain upper side above this ATH, but unable to sustain over there. Immediately it fell, and the fall is very aggressive in nature. It is not falling with slow and steady, but it is giving a fall in aggressive manner, which is giving that it is a fake breakout as of now, and the sellers are in power. It took more days to reach its all-time high, but it took very less days to reach this level. Let's see on Fibonacci level to get a confirmation how much it has given a fall. I am marking a level from this to this. Now it has near to again 61.8% area. Let me mark that one, right? If it reaches this level, then we will wait for some more confirmation for selling side if it is giving breakdown. As of now, we are having our demand area at this level. This is our demand area. If you are very near to this demand area, then we will plan for buying side trades. But looking at this nature, Bank Nifty is still in bearish pressure. If it is continuing its bearish nature, then we will plan for small trades with small risk, and we will be reaching to this demand area. At this demand area, we will wait for some good opportunity for bullish side, then we will plan bullish side trades. This is the plan in Nifty 50 at daily time frame. Let's go to the hourly time frame as of now. This is hourly time frame for Nifty 50. Now you can see here from this level, Nifty has given a very good fall, small pullback, and again it is trying to continue. If tomorrow crosses this level, then we can see 19,600 as our target. If it is sustaining below 19,600, then we will mark our next support area, which is 19,500. Then after that, we will be having our next target till 19,400 as well. If you are reaching 19,400, we have to wait over there to get more confirmation for selling side, or else we'll wait for bullish opportunity from here. We can see some bullish nature over here, then upside rally may happen over this level. So what we need to do, if we are getting any breakdown to this level, then we will plan for small trades for selling side till 19,400 area. Or else if you are crossing this 19,800 area immediately tomorrow itself, then we will plan for bullish side trades till 20,000 areas as well. Okay, this is the plan as of now for Nifty 50 on hourly time frame. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. On 15 minutes time frame, you can see over here Nifty 50 is in this range. Let's mark the block over here. Nifty 50 is in this range. So what we can do is, if you are getting any confirmation for this breakdown, the same plan as we have discussed on hourly time frame, breaking this level with small stop loss, we can plan a trade for this level. We need to plan at least 1.5 to 2 as for risk to reward to get a good opportunity over here. Or else if you are getting any bullish opportunity over this level itself, then we'll plan a small trade till 19,800 also. Sustaining above 19,800 is more important to see any huge upside rally, or else we'll be planning for selling side trades till our demand area, which is 19,400. Let's go to the FinNifty now. This is FinNifty on weekly time frame. You can see FinNifty is also given a very huge downside rally from its near to all time. It hasn't crossed, but only Nifty 50 has crossed its ATH, and from there it has given a fake breakdown scenario. But in Bank Nifty and FinNifty, we don't see any breakout to the previous ATH, but they gave a very drastic fall from near resistance area. So looking over here, we can plan a small trades in FinNifty for selling side, but we are very near to demand area. At this demand area, we don't have to plan for selling side trades. We have to wait over this level only. If you are getting any good bullish opportunities, then we'll plan for bullish side trades, or else if you are getting any breakdown to this demand area, then we will plan for selling side trades. Let's go to the daily time frame. On daily time frame, you can observe that it has reached its consolidation range, which is this level. This is the consolidation range for FinNifty. It has reached this level, and it has reached almost 50% of this consolidation area also. So what this means is we don't need to plan any aggressive selling side over here. We can plan only small selling side trades till this demand area, which is 19600 area. If you are reaching 19600, then we need to wait for some time over here to get any opportunity. Either side, we can get either side opportunity. Either we can get for bullish side or bearish side, but we need to wait over here to get a good opportunity with good risk to reward. Then we'll plan for a trade. This is the plan for FinNifty on daily time frame. Let's go to the hourly time frame over here. On hourly time frame, we can plan a small swing trades. If it is crossing this area, then immediately we can plan a trade till 19600, which is a pretty small target, but we can plan a small trade with small risk. Or else for bullish side, we need to cross almost 19930 level to see any huge bullish rally over here. Even after crossing 19930 level, we'll be having a round level of 20,000, but we need a sustainability first over this, then we'll plan a trade for upper targets. Or else if we are breaching this demand area, then we can plan our selling side trades also. We can't say that market has been turned into bearish yet. There is this huge selling pressure, but buyers are also there. They may give upside rally also. We need to wait and we need to get confirmation first to plan our trades. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame over here. On 15 minutes, you can see that there was a range over here. The range got breakdown. Let me mark. This was a range. The range got breakdown and it is trying to continue this level. If tomorrow opens flat over here, let me show you. If it is opening flat and crossing this level, immediately we can plan a trade till 19600 area. From this area, if we see any upside rally, then we will plan a trade till 19800 to 19900. We need a huge closing above 19930 level to plan upper side trades. This is a simple plan in all the three indices. If you have any doubts or if you have any clarification, if you need any clarification, then let us know in the comments. We'll discuss more in upcoming videos. If you haven't watched our emergency funds video, I will be giving you over in the eye icon in the upper side of the video. Then you can watch there, which will be helpful for your upcoming financial literacy as well. That's it for today, guys. If you haven't watched any of our videos, then you can visit our page and you can get more knowledge from there as well. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, take care, keep trading, keep following the risk management. Bye bye.